Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok on your PC or on your laptop. First off, go to your search bar down here and then search Microsoft Store. If you don't find it on your recent port here, just search up Microsoft Store like this. Click on it, and then you'll be at the Microsoft Store. On the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar up here and then find TikTok. So just type in TikTok like this. After that, just go to this section here, TikTok, right? I already have TikTok installed here, but if you don't have it installed, it'll just say a button called installed. It'll be just like installing any other apps on your phone or on your PC. You'll see that this app is exactly like the phone one. It'll just be stretched out to fit your PC screen. Let's try opening it. Once it's opened, you'll see that you can use TikTok like normal. You can watch videos, you can search, you can even log in down here. So it's just like normal TikTok. You can even see in the comments like this. It'll pop up on the right side here, right? And yeah, it's basically just TikTok on your PC. If you like them or if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.